name is Alex, and today we're gonna learn how to play Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. I show you two different ways how to play this song. An easiest one with the open chord progression, and another one, this is how I play this song. It will give you some ideas how to make your cover more interesting and colorful. Let's start. First of all, to stay in original tonality, we should put capo on a 3rd fret. This song is based on 4 chords. First chord is A minor, the second one is E minor, third is G major, and the last one D major. Together it sounds like this. I play the same chord progression, but with a little bit different chord functions and fingering. First chord is A minor, but I play A minor 7, and then I add my pinky on the 3rd fret on the 1st string. Then I play E minor, and then I play E minor 9. Actually, you can play this chord, or even this one. But I like E minor 9. Then we play G, and then I move my pinky 2 fret higher on the 1st string. And the last chord is D, but I play it with an open 3rd string. And then there is hammer and pull-off thing. Together it sounds like